that. The Nightingale sing stuff, yeah, it's not happening. It's not happening in my head. All right, today I'm checking out Nightwish. I'm listening to the song Know Why the Nightingale Sings. Let's get into it. Man, I love the riff on that. I can't even do it. It was just on and I still can't make it. But it's been in the instrumental sections. I'm like, dang, the instrumental sections are hard. And I know, wait, it's not just the instrumental section. It's on when she's singing and stuff too. Now, lyrically, I'm reading the lyrics. I'm actually focused somewhat on the lyrics. It's just over my head. Like, what are we talking about? Mating with the geese, my soul has finally found peace. Another part was about making love to the gods or something like that. In the beginning, it was like the answer to everything is like, know why the Nightingale sings. So that's the key to unlocking this song. Know why the Nightingale sings is the answer to everything. I'm reading these lyrics, right? And I haven't put it all together yet. And I don't know if I'm going to. From the things that I mentioned is how do I connect those? Like mating with the gods above, something about a blue lagoon and the geese are migrating. I don't know. A lot of bird talk though. was hard. That was hard. It was especially nice at the end when they had the piano or the keyboard or whatever it was. We'll just say keyboard, right? That covers everything. When they had the keyboard come in at the end, you know, the keyboard gave it like that kind of a classical feel to it, like we were talking about earlier in the stream. Yeah, that was nice. The Nightingale sing stuff, yeah, it's not happening. It's not happening in my head, but I think she really likes Nightingales and likes to hear Nightingale sing and it's pretty and all that kind of stuff or something. I just, what mating, especially that part, mating with the gods above in this. Yeah, I just, in my head, you know, my head makes pretty linear connections and I feel this is some different, the artistic stuff. It's different kind of connections that maybe one day I will sprout some new neurons or something and make some new connections in my head. I don't know.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. Who to go? She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.